Stop scrolling. You know these stunning figure hugging dresses you see on Instagram that cost hundreds of dollars. The ones that fit perfectly, I'm going to let you in a secret. You don't need to be a pro to make them. In fact, a bodycon dress is actually one of the easiest large project for a beginner that he can tackle. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are demystifying the crochet bodycon dresses. I am going to show you 3 specific design styles that look high fashion but use basic stitches, plus the one math secret. You need to ensure it hugs your curves in all the right places. Let's get hooked. Before we jump into the designs, we have to talk about the foundation. The fear most beginners have is, will it fit or will it sag? To get the bodycon look you need to understand the negative is. This means crocheting the dress slightly smaller than your actual body measurement, usually about 1 to 2 inches smaller, because crochet stretches. The fabric will extend to hug your body. For beginners, I highly recommend a yarn with a little bit of bounce. Avoid 100% chiffon cotton if you want a tight fit. Instead, look for a cotton acrylic blend or a bamboo blend. These have a natural drape and elasticity that makes the fitting process so much more forgiving. Okay, design idea number 1. The minimalist frill. This is the perfect if you want that store-bought opaque look that you can wear with sneakers or heels. The design trick here is texture. You don't need complex lace, just use half double crochet in the back loop only. This creates a ribbon effect that looks just like knitted dress. The best part, you can construct this as 2 simple panels. You don't even know to decrease stitches for the waist, just stitch to a hook size 1 millimeter smaller when you reach your waistline. And the fabric will